Well, elsewhere, the government has raised 139 billion shillings through the Trade Development Bank to clear pending bills owed to across the country. This brings the total amount raised through the securitization of 7 shillings per litre of fuel paid to the Road Maintenance Levy Fund to 340. Road and Transport Cabinet Secretary Davis Chirchir says only certified pending bills will be paid this Friday. Here's Regina Manyara with the details.
We'll start paying by end of week next week. We will complete the 3 months, April to June, and that takes us to end of August. To visit any office, we pay all certificates totaling to 33 billion that we have received to date. We'll pay another 19 billion for new commitments. So in the next week, we should be expensing up to 52 billion to pay you guys. Government has to invest to open up the country because investors cannot build those roads because we're just doing it for social good to open up the country.